Okay, so I'm going to change the water filter in my refrigerator. For our model, it takes this filter right here.
RPWFE for a GE.
And I'm going to write the date on it so we'll know how long it lasts. So today is the 20th. Okay, so it's fairly simple. Here the area. There's a little latch here that you release. Then it slides out like so. You pull straight out on it. And you'll see it says the front, so you'll know exactly where to put it in. There's notches in it, so it fits right into it. You need to grab something and flush it.
Oh. So you just wait till it stops spurting or what?
You're supposed to run a cycle of water through it. So I'll fill this up and dump it, and then we'll be done.